car meet. Seen lots of nice cars coming through. M5 coming through here. That's my kind of car. Down the bottom now, there's a hell of a lot more than what there was. All sorts down here, really. Proper car meet, rough and the smooth. You got your moderns, RSs. There's a few Civics kicking about. Golf. You got absolutely slammed. It's really low. Not even sure you'd be able to get a piece of paper underneath parts of it. I think it is actually touching in most places. It's mental. It's not my cup of tea, but it is a lot of people's cup of tea. We've got some crazy drift cars here. There's a couple of old BMs as well. Good 15cm bits at least, that. And the Old Faithful in a light, lovely blue that needs a little bit of teacup, but it's Turbo WRX.